everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty and delicious vegetarian recipe spaghetti. Make it with mixed vegetable. It's very easy and simple to make it, and this is the way I make it and everyone loves it. So please try it. You can use any type of sauce, but I'm using fire roasted tomato and garlic sauce. Small onion, 1 green chili, salt, cumin powder, black pepper, half teaspoon each. As for salt, you can use any salt, table salt, pink salt or sea salt, whatever you prefer, and olive oil. 1 ball of mixed vegetable. These are frozen. This is the fresh garlic. I took 4 big jumbo sized garlic cloves, so it's about 2 teaspoons, and Parmesan cheese. Let's start making our delicious spaghetti with mixed vegetable. The first step will be get a big pot, add water and bring the water to boil. I'm using a fry pan. As for the instructions, it says it will take 11 minutes to get tender. As the water started to boil, add 1 packet of spaghetti. And just make sure that you move around so they won't stick at one place. So this is good. And now we're going to let it cook until it gets tender. So I'm going to put the cover on and leave it this much open. So as the instruction says 11 minutes, so within 11 minutes we'll be done. After 5-6 minutes, I'll start another burner and we'll start making our tadka. It's exactly 5 minutes. I'll start another burner and get a karahi, 1 tablespoon olive oil. As the oil start to heat up, add garlic. Mix it and cook until the raw garlicky flavor is gone. This is good. Add onion. Mix it well. And keep it moving and keep cooking until the onions are nicely translucent. As the tadka is cooking, it's a good idea that open the lid and move around like this. So if they are sticking together, you can break them open. So onions are translucent. Add green chili. Mix it well. Cooking green chili along with onion for a half minute. I'll add mixed vegetable. As I mentioned, these are frozen. You can use fresh as well. Mix it well. I'll add spices. Salt, black pepper, cumin powder. Mix it well. So once all the spices are nicely combined, cover with the lid and we're going to cook it for 3 minutes. Spaghetti looks fine and it's fully done. It's nicely tender. I'm going to turn off the gas. I'm going to drain the water. I'll use my screen splatter. I'll place it on top. I'll drain the water. This is a good idea that if you have a screen splatter, so we're going to drain all the water. Once it's fully drained, if you are using a screen splatter, make sure that you press it on one end. Don't do it like this, otherwise you will spill all the spaghetti inside your sink. So all the water has been drained. Now we'll bring it into our mixed vegetable. So I'll open the lid, mix it, as you see, it's nicely done. Mixed vegetables don't take that long to cook. So once it's all done, now we're going to bring our gas to medium. And we're going to bring spaghetti inside. So we're going to put it inside. Now add salt. Just add 1 tablespoon water, about this much. Shake it well and pour it on top. Now with the help of 2 spoons, mix it well. Keep mixing, keep bringing from the bottom and keep mixing. Just like this. So after adding the sauce and keep mixing, we're going to cook additional 2 minutes. Another 2 minutes of cooking. I'll add Parmesan cheese. Mix it again. Add some more Parmesan cheese and mix it again. I'm going to turn off the gas and I'm going to dish out. I have my serving bowl ready and I'm going to dish out. Wow, look at these. Super tasty and super delicious vegetarian dish. Let me share with you. Our tasty and delicious and quick and easy vegetarian spaghetti with mixed vegetables. Please try it and you're going to like it. And prior to serving, some more Parmesan cheese. This is a super yum. Please try it and you're going to like it. If you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.